Hello traders, how you guys doing today? So today traders, I want to make a quick video of the strategy of the cup and handle pattern, you guys. This is the pattern that I have been noticing a lot in the past several days. But before I get started, you guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and especially the Discord app, because there's a lot of information there that I give out for free to help you guys out and guide you guys in the right direction so you guys can make some extra money. But besides that, you guys, make sure you guys give it a like if you guys appreciate these videos that I do for you guys. That will mean a lot to me. And bear with me, you guys, I'm a little bit on the weather. As you can see, my throat's a little bit sore. But today, you guys, we're going to talk about the cup and handle. As you can see, this is the pattern that you see right here. It's basically that green line, how it goes up, then it comes down as a cup, then it gives the handle, then it shoots back up. So basically, team, I notice this pattern a lot, especially you guys right after the bell. Right after the bell, you guys, a lot of the stocks, are trending up pre-market time. They're doing hot, a lot of volume. And as soon as they open, so a couple minutes after they open, they drop. And when it drops, you guys, so usually I have been noticing it takes a couple hours before it starts to pick itself back up. And this is the pattern that I noticed that it does a lot of the time. And that's why when I notice how it's playing out this pattern and I buy it right after the bell, or a couple minutes, or 10-15 minutes after the bell, and then it goes up, if I don't sell, then this happens right here. I try to set a pattern. I try to set a stop loss usually outside the increment, but as you can see here, as it goes up right after the bell. Then a couple minutes later or 20 minutes later, then it starts to fade down. Then a couple hours later, it starts to go back up. Then it triggers down. Then it goes back up to a higher increment. And as you can see, here's one increment and two increments from the pattern from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. A lot of money to be made there. So I guess you could see again. Here's the cup and handle. Basically the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 to finish it off. Okay, and here's another example of 4 today, how again it opened up in the high right with the bell open, then it faded down, then it went up, cut down, then it kept going back up. And again, you guys, here's another pattern. I'm just trying to show you guys different patterns of the same, different charts of the same pattern. You guys can see the idea of what I'm trying to talk about, what I'm trying to demonstrate. And I've been noticing this pattern again, you guys, a lot, but especially again, like I said, in the pre-market, how it just shoots up, right after the bell, then it fades and it comes down like this, making a U shape. Then it starts to go up, then it drops down a little bit, then it shoots up. Woo! And there it is. Basically a simple basic pattern. Again, the cup and handle pattern, you guys. This pattern is very simple to use. Again, I notice it a lot during before the bell, it's going up real good, it's up 20, 30, 40%, and right after the bell it shoots down. And or maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes after the bell. And sometimes if I don't have a stop loss, you guys, I let the chart play itself out. And majority, a lot of times, this is the pattern that I see. So I let it play out, then I let it come up. And when it comes up, I usually try to sell at a profit or break even. But majority of the times, it will be at a profit, because I recognize a pattern already. And besides that, sometimes I just have patience, and when the bell rings, I just let everything drop. And I notice this pattern is starting to play when I buy it at the bottom where it says cup. Then I start writing and going up where it says handle, right? And sometimes I sell it right there above before it drops to the handle. Or sometimes I just keep holding it, I let it consolidate, then where it says the red arrow, it takes off and it keeps going up. And right there, you guys saw the other chart, sometimes it jumps 1 increment, 2 increments, sometimes 3 increments. And basically the increment, every stock has a different increment. It could be 10 cents, 5 cents, 20 cents, a couple cents, or a couple of dollars an increment. Excuse me. So yes, you guys, just wanted to demonstrate this pattern to you guys real quick, okay, because I have been noticing a lot often, and it's a good way for you guys to be able to capitalize on this strategy. All right, you guys. So sometimes, you guys, when things go up like that, then it starts to fall down. sometimes you gotta have some patience because you'll have two choices. One is make sure you had a stop loss so you could break out, get out, cut your losses quickly. Or if you don't have a stop loss, sometimes hold on and watch. Majority of this time I notice this pattern plays out, and sometimes this pattern, you guys, it plays it out within the day, a couple hours. It's consolidated as it has that U shape and it starts to go up, then it takes off. But sometimes, you guys, when I notice, sometimes too, when you're trying to swing something and you notice it's building this pattern, and it has been having this pattern right here for like half of the U shape for like a month and a half, then you notice it starts to trend back up. Usually it's gonna go up and make that pattern to me where the high was before it dropped several weeks ago. So right, team, so that was just a quick little video, you guys, of a strategy of the cup and handle that I have been noticing a lot lately, you guys, and especially this week, especially this month in January. So it's just a quick little simple strategy that you guys could use to make some extra money. One of the strategies that I notice and I use a lot. But alright, team, make sure you guys subscribe again, make sure you guys follow me, and make sure you guys give a thumbs up. You guys leaving me questions, any comments, and I'll be able to get to you guys as soon as possible. Alright, and if you guys want to sign up for the one-on-one, just feel free to send me a message again through the Facebook, the Discord app, or follow me on the Instagram as well. Alright, team, you guys have a good day. You guys take care now. Bye bye.